Welcome to this stunning 2024 built 5-bedroom, 3-bath home in the sought-after gated community of Willow Pointe in Stuart, Florida. Thoughtfully designed for today's lifestyle, the home features a first-floor bedroom and full bath, ideal for guests or multi-generational living. Upstairs, enjoy 4 additional bedrooms, 2 full baths, and a spacious loft, perfect for a home office or media room. Built by Dr. Horton, this residence offers exceptional craftsmanship and style, with CBS construction, impact windows, and up to 2,645 square feet of modern living space. The chef's kitchen includes a center aisle, designer cabinetry, and opens to a bright great room, leading to a fenced backyard with pergola for outdoor relaxation and entertaining. Willow Pointe offers a community pool, and includes lawn care for a low-maintenance, resort-style lifestyle. Located along the Atlantic coast, Stuart exudes old Florida charm with its historic downtown, boutique shops, fine and casual dining. Residents enjoy pristine beaches, world-class sail fishing, and several renowned golf courses, all just minutes away.